Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can trim video in GoPro Quik app. So first of all, open your edit in the studio and then go to the My Edit. So I'm in My Edits. You can also choose here these suggestions. But under My Edits, I will tap on My Edit. Then down below here at the bottom you will see Edit and Delete. So choose Edit, and I need to wait a little bit. Like that. Now what I need to do is choose my clip. So just like that, edit. And now, as you can see here, this blue icon here, basically this blue is where I left the video. So if this is basically how you can trim the video. So if I press here on the right side, as you can see, I can move this, and this means that I trimming my video. And yeah, you can do for every other video like that. So if I go back and select another video, edit right here, and just like that, as you can see, I can select the length of the section. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.